Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement AC Climate Control Knob. This is specifically for the Toyota Tacoma from 2005 to 2011. This specific part is a direct replacement to the OEM AC Climate Control Knob that comes with your Toyota Tacoma, and would be a perfect replacement for an OEM fit and finish. Over time, lots of things can happen to your original knob. Not only does the indicator arrow fade, these can crack or break, rendering the ability to adjust your climate control inoperable. While this is not an OEM part, it was designed to have the same fit thanks to the premium black finish, precision mounting slot, and improved plastic for extended life. This was also designed to fit any of the AC functions. To install this part, first remove your old one by sliding it off the mount, then line up the mounting slot on this new one, slide it in, and you're done. If you have any questions about this replacement AC climate control knob, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.